Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today we've got Love for Ellie at Nana Loves Nails. It's an Instagram collab. Caroline and Heidi pulled a bunch of us together to let Ellie know how much we love her and are thinking of her. I'm just going to let this roll and y'all can see the products I'm using. I've participated in several Instagram collabs with just a ton of wonderful ladies. We all share a passion for polish and nail art and all the things, and we all support each other and celebrate birthdays and anniversaries and other milestones. But today's collaboration's a little different. Our friend Ellie lost her son. He was only 27 years old. I don't have the specifics. I don't, that's not in my realm of knowledge, but I do know the name Nana Loves Nails, and I know I've seen her on many of the things I've been a part of, and I do feel like she's a friend of mine, and I wanted to definitely be a part of this collaboration to let her know that we love her and we're thinking of her. So I've done all my steps up to this point. I've got a base coat and I've got a color coat on, and now I'm just going to use some flower foils. We were going to use flowers for Ellie as our theme, and I had these foils sitting out, and I really didn't know why they were sitting out all by themselves, but turns out I needed them for this manicure, and I just want to, stick along with the theme and help join all these other ladies and help show one of our nail friends that we really do care. This is an amazing community. I know some real deep friendships have been created over the years, and it all started with nail polish, nail art, or talking just nail polish collections and things like that. I know I've got several really, really good friends of mine. I met them on the internet. I met them through YouTube or Instagram. So that nail looks a little bumpy, but we're still going to roll with it. I don't think it's going to matter. There are bumps in life, so I'm just going to let it be my bump on my mani today. In the end, it looked just fine. I don't know how it worked out, but it did. And so if you get a chance, go support the other ladies that have joined the collab. Go like their videos, and definitely, if you find it in yourself that you can, go visit Nana Loves Nails on Instagram and just click on one of her photos and just let her know that you're praying for her, because that's all she's asked for us, is just to pray for her, his father, the rest of the family, and just know that, we do care out here. We really do care about each other. We don't always say it. We don't always comment. We don't always thumbs up. But any way you can show support would be much appreciated. I just can't imagine. 27's just way too young. Way too young. And it happens way too often, in my opinion. But I want to thank our host for getting us all together, Tinkerbell 1970s and Skull Lover Nails. I've been doing Instagram collabs with them for a while, and I really applaud them for pulling us all together. I want to thank them for that. So here we go. We're going to mush that one down. And here is my swatch photo. I do hope you enjoyed this manicure, and I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.